Oh dear. The MacBook Air that I repaired, the hinges have gone very stiff. You're supposed to be able to open these sort of one-handed. Yeah, you do this too many times, I think you're gonna break the screen. That is really stiff. And is that gonna, yeah, that spring's, that's not, the magnet's not even holding it closed. If I push it down at the hinge, yeah, at least it does stay closed. Alright, let's open her up and let's have a look inside and see what the problem is. Hopefully it's something simple. And we're in. We're in. Okay, nothing's out of place there. First of all, I want to check the hinges and see if it's something I've done when I put it back together. Maybe alignment, maybe the screws got tight or whatever. I want to just give these a quick once over, just see if it's something I've done or if it's just something that needs to be worked out. That one. Second time lucky. Let's loosen these off. Yeah, it does still feel tight. Stays shut, but it could just be because it's now losing. It's got a bit of play. The alignment seems okay. That's going to double check that it's all sitting straight, and then I'm going to tighten it up again and then see where we're at. No, it's definitely not a problem with. It's not a problem with the screws. I do have an idea. I think it could be to do with the hinges. So what we're going to do is get some cloth, well, get some paper towel and a little bit of a WD. I'm not wanting to, I don't want to squirt the WD straight into the MacBook. So I'm going to soak a bit into the paper towel. And dab it on, give it a little bit of a squeeze. I want to try and get some of it into the hinge, but I don't want to completely drown it because obviously electronics. Okay, I'll put a bit more onto there and I'll do the same on this side. Okay, now I'm going to wipe off any excess off the top of the hinge. Obviously being penetrating fluid, it will get in there sort of pretty quick, but I don't want it sort of swimming in it. Okay, let's see if that has made a difference. Fingers crossed, this could be an easy fix. Still springs. Still tight. Let's work it in. Oh, yeah, that feels better. Yeah. Yeah, okay. That feels much better. Let's see, does it close? Yeah, look at that. Perfect. Doesn't spring back open anymore. All right, that was an easy fix. Let's get the lid on and screw it up. Well, not screw it. You know what I mean. Make sure you line up little plastic clips on there. Don't smash them. I've seen a few, but they've just been smashed. Let's get it put back together. There we go. That's how it should be. Closes up nicely, doesn't spring back. Okay, I'm going to try and do it one hand. Hey, look at that. One-handed, nice and easy. That's how it should be. Alright, wicked. That was a nice easy fix. Thanks for watching. Do the usuals, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.